Now you can see how to apply double palm block. It is not only a block, you can use as a punch. It is palm's heels. Therefore it is called double palm block. You can use for roundhouse kick. Like this you can use. After that you can go to punches or any kick for opponents. Not only that, you can use opponents' elbow punches. You can use as punches or as blocks. It is very hard block. Now you can see. After you can go to any attacks. Now you can use opponents' dragon trail kick or dragon weave kick. Now you can use very easily. As well as you can use stop the opponent. So I think this lesson is useful for you.